Hi, this is Chip. In my last video, we installed a 2-barrel Weber on this 250, and after driving it for about a week, it really performs well. But I've noticed I got a little gas leakage, and I noticed we got a real strong gas odor after I shut it off or after I get home and drive it a while. So I got a fuel pump pressure gauge hooked up, and we're going to see how much pressure we got coming in to the carburetor. So if I can get somebody to crank it, we'll be all right. That's good. All right, so we're showing 5 PSI. Okay, coming from the fuel pump to the carburetor. We need to get that down to 3 PSI. That's what Weber recommends for this carburetor. So I'm going to install a fuel pressure regulator in line, and hopefully we can get 3 PSI out of it. Okay, we got the fuel regulator put in line, and we got the tester on it. So let's crank it over and see what our fuel pressure is. So we still went up to 4. Let's turn it down some. If I can get that, bleed that off. Let me bleed it off. Try it again. All right, there we got 3 PSI. So I think we're good. We got the regulator set at 1, and we're getting 3 PSI out of it. So we'll hook it back up to the carburetor and see how she does. All right, we got it hooked back up and it's running. We'll check it for leaks. I'll let it sit here for a little bit, and maybe after an hour, shut it down, and we'll see what we got gas-wise for smells, fumes, or even if it's wet around on the intake. I just shut it off and let it sit. Everything seems to be dry, so I think we're good to go. No drips, no leaks. We're running right at 3 PSI, which Weber recommends, so hopefully we've got it cured. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure and like us, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.